What's up YouTube? It's Emmy Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope that everybody is doing A1 okay today. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly what a media kit is. I know this isn't my normal background, it looks kind of funky right now, but just bear with me. First off, this YouTube video is sponsored. Guys, I'm so excited to share this brand with you guys. So this video today is sponsored by Ana Luisa. If you guys aren't familiar with that brand, they are a fine jewelers in New York City. I'd love to say thank you to Ana Luisa for sending me these adorable pieces. I'll be showing you guys here soon. Go ahead and check out Ana Luisa. They have affordable jewelry options, something for everybody here, guys. Not only are they exceptional quality, but they're gonna last years as well. So as you can see, I'm wearing a gold little chain necklace and also these really cute hoops. They have, like I said, something for everyone. No matter your price range, you can easily find something from Ana Luisa. Not only is Ana Luisa sustainable, it's also affordable as well. Their price ranges from $39 up to over $100. They have gold, silver, there's definitely something for everyone. I personally picked this gold chain necklace because it goes with a lot in my closet. You can wear this piece over and over again, dress it up, dress it down. Same with these earrings as well. I love hoops, and these were braided and a little bit new. So, guys, please go check out their website. You need this jewelry in your life. If you're a girl, if you don't wear jewelry, get it for your girlfriend, mom, sister, anything else. They make amazing presents, especially for the holiday season coming up. And you can wear them daily. So you're probably wondering, what in the heck is a media kit and how can it be helpful to me, right? A media kit is a document that contains information about yourself and your platform's demographics and analytics and all of the statistical information that brands want to see before they work with an influencer. The point of a media kit is to make all of this information readable for the person who you want to work with or the company's PR manager. For instance, if you have a really clean media kit along with email, they're more likely to offer you a collaboration because they have all of your page information, including information about yourself as well. Additionally, most brands actually prefer the professionalism of a media kit, and like I said, it's more likely if you have a media kit, you'll be getting brand deals. Now that you know what a media kit is, you're probably excited to start making your own. In this section, I'll teach you exactly how to make a media kit similar to mine, and this will help you land more brand deals. First off, you're going to need access to Canva and Social Blade. If you have an iPhone, it's totally fine. Go ahead and use that. First thing you're going to do is decide what social medias you want to include in your media kit. So typically it is the platform you have the most audience on, right? So for instance, mine would be YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So those are the 3 platforms I decided to showcase in my media kit. Once you've decided what social media platforms you're going to use, you're first going to go to socialblade.com and you're going to type in your username at the top along with YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, Blogger, whatever social platform you use. Click search and it will pop up your page statistics. So how many posts you have, along with what your rank is within the Social Blade analytical tool there. You're then gonna screenshot that Social Blade statistic of whatever page you're using. Then you're gonna head over to your analytics side. For instance, I use Instagram. As soon as I got on there, I looked up my analytics so you can see how many followers you have based on age, sex, location, and those are known as like your demographics. Your statistics are gonna be your page views, how many posts, how many likes. So go ahead and screenshot all that information and shape it how you want it, right? Don't include any like borders or anything. Make sure it's easy for the person who's going to be reading your media kit to read. Once you have all that information, you're next going to go to canva.com, and up top it has a search bar where you can search templates to choose from. What you're gonna do is type in media kit and a whole bunch of templates are gonna pop up. I chose this one. You can choose whichever one resonates best with you, whatever your style is. Make it customized to you. Brands don't want to be seeing the same media kit over and over again. But take that information that you just screenshotted and put it into your media kit. Attach it as a picture along with the description so it looks like this. And I'll show you mine. So here's my Instagram, my TikTok, and my YouTube. And the top of my media kit, I just put some pictures of myself along with how many followers I have on each of the pages and links as well. So it makes it super easy to read and they have access to that information right on the spot. And for the back page, I just posted some brands that I've worked with and how to get into contact with me in order to schedule a collaboration. Once you've added all of your graphics, all of your descriptions, and your media kit looks so beautiful and totally unique to you, what you're going to do is click save, and next time a brand is interested in you, after the initial email, you can then send out your media kit. Once you've completed your media kit, go ahead and send me an email. I want to see it. I love looking at all of your guys' stuff that you send me. My email is emilyjolencrosby@gmail.com. And I would love to look at your media kits. It's so fun. Lastly, I would like to thank Ana Luisa again for sponsoring this video. Guys, please go check out their website. You need this jewelry in your life. If you're a girl, if you don't wear jewelry, get it for your girlfriend, mom, sister, anything else. They make amazing presents, especially for the holiday season coming up, and you can wear them daily. I really hope this video helps you guys, smaller influencers who are looking to grow their platforms and the brands that they work with. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and drop a comment and follow me on my Instagram @EmiJolene. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.